Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we find how to find LCM of the given numbers. ఇచ్చినటువంటి నెంబర్స్కు ఎల్సిఎం ఏ విధంగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఎల్సిఎం అనగానేమిటి, ఏ విధంగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం, అలాగే ఎన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దాంట్లో ఈజియెస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఏది, అలాగే వివిధ పోటీ పరీక్షల్లో కావచ్చు, మనకి వివిధ కాన్సెప్ట్లో కూడా ఈ ఎల్సిఎం అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మరి దీని గురించి మనం నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. మరి క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఉంటాయి, అలాగే తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మరి ఇంతవరకు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి బెల్ సింబల్ని ప్రెస్ చేసినట్టయితే నోటిఫికేషన్స్ రూపంలో కూడా మీకు అప్డేట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి లర్న్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మల్టిప్లై, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఫ్యాక్టర్ మీన్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఏ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 4. 4 is divided by another number. For example, any natural number, the remainder get 0, that is the factor of the given number. For example, 4. 4 is divided by 1. 1 4 is 4. So, next one, 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4. So, 4 is divided by 1, 2 and 4. To get the remainder is 0. 4 is divided by 3. 3 1 is 3. Remainder is 1. So 3 is not a factor of 4. So therefore factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Here what is the factor? Factor means a given number is divided by any natural number. Remainder is 0. That is the factor of the number. Remainder not equal to 0. That is not a factor of number. Okay. One, multiplies. What is the multiply? When the given number is multiplied with the natural numbers or counting numbers, the products are called multiplies of the number. For example, 4. 4 is multiplied with the natural numbers. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, so on. These are the multiplies of the 4. Observe the definition. The products we get when a number is multiplied by the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are called multiplies of the given number. Given number is multiplied with the natural numbers. The products are called multiplies of the number. For example, another one is 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35 and so on. These are the 5 multiplies. These are the 4 multiplies. These are the 5 multiplies. Okay. A given number is multiplied with the natural numbers. The products are called multiplies. Next one, 2. So, sorry, 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12 and so on. So, the multiplies of the any number is infinity. The multiplies of the any number is infinity, not countable. Okay. Next one. Next concept is common multiplies. Next concept is common multiplies. For example, observe here 3 and 4. Observe 3 and 4. These two multiplies, 3 multiplies and 4 multiplies. In these two multiplies, which is the common? 12, 12. So these two are common. Next one, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Here 24. So 24 is also common. So common multipliers means a common multiplier of a number is a multiplier of 2 or more numbers. Here 2 numbers. In these 2 numbers, the common multipliers are called common multipliers of number. For example, another one is 2. 2 multiplies 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So here 12 is also common multiplier of these numbers. Okay, 12, 12, 12. So common multipliers means 2 or more numbers multiplies, which is the common number, that is the common multiplier of the number. Next one, the natural numbers can have countless common multipliers. Given natural numbers, any natural numbers have infinity common multiplies. Okay. The main concept is least common multiply. Least common multiply, LCM. Okay. First of all, m means multiplies. I can take two numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Write the 2 multiplies. 2 multiplies and 3 multiplies. So 2 multiplies 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and continuous. So 3 multiplies 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. These are the common multiplies of 3. So first of all, write the given numbers 2 and 3. Write the multiplies, first one. Next one, common multiplies of 2 and 3. Common multiplies of 2 and 3. So which is the common number? 6. Next one, 12. Next one, 18. So continuous, this was also 6, 12, 18, so on. These are the common multiplies of 2 and 3. Next one, a least. Which is the least number? Small number, 6. So LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 equal to 6. This is the find of the LCM. How to find? First of all, write the multiplies of the given numbers. Next one, write the common multiplies of the numbers. And which is the least number? That is the common multiply of the least common multiply of the number. So this one is called least LCM. LCM means standard form least common multiply or smallest common multiply or lowest common multiply. Okay, this is the LCM of the numbers. Right, another one, how to find the LCM. This is the one method. Another two methods. Observe the screen. 3 methods. LCM can be determined by these 3 methods. One is the by writing the multiplies of the given number. By writing the given numbers multiplies. This is the first method. So writing multiplies of the given numbers and common multiplies and least number. This is the one method. Second method is prime factorization method. Second method is the prime factorization method. Third method is the division method. Third method is the division method. In this video, we find LCM by these 3 methods. Okay. First method is LCM by writing multiplies of given numbers. First method is writing multiplies of the given numbers. For example, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Write the 4 multiplies. 4, 8, 4 3 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and so on. Next 6 multiplies. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so on. Continuous. So multiplies of the given number is infinity. So these are the multiplies of the number. Next one, write common multiplies. Common multiplies of 4 and 6. So which is the common element in these 2 multiplies? 12 is the first one. Next one is the 24. Next one here 36. Here is also 36. So common multiplies 12, 24 and 36 and so on. Continuous. These are also common multiplies of 2 numbers is also infinity. Next, which is the smallest number? 12. So therefore LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. 4 and 6 is equal to 12. This is the method to find the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, this is the first method. This is a lengthy process to find the LCM. For example, 3 or more numbers, 4 or 5 numbers. How to find? This method is big process. So next method is the prime factorization method. Next method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Here the first example, LCM of 18 and 24. LCM 18 and 24. First of all, write the given numbers. First step is write the given numbers in the prime factorization. First step is given numbers, write prime factorization or express prime factorization. You know that 18 is equal to, right here, 18 means 2 times 2 9s are 3 3s are. So 3 1s are. So 2 power of 1 into 3 power of 2. 2 power of 1 into 3 power of 2. Next one, 24. Write the prime factorization. Next number 24. This one is divided by even number. So 24 is the even number divided by 2. 2 12s are, next 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. 2 is expressed 2 power of 3 into 3 power of 1. 2 power of 3 into 3 power of 1. Next one, this one is the given numbers prime factorization. Next one, write the LCM. LCM is equal to, write the highest power of each factor. Highest power of the each factor. So ikkada in this two numbers, the prime factorization of any of the given numbers gives the LCM of the given numbers. Find product. So 2 power of 1, 2 power of 3. The highest power is 2 power of 3 factor. Next one, 3 power of 2, 3 power of 1. The small highest power is 3 power of 2. So next after that, find the product. 2 power of 3 equal to 8. 3 power of 2 equal to 9. 8 9s are 72. This is the method to find the LCM by the prime factorization method. So another example, 12, 50 and 70. Find LCM by prime factorization method. 12, 50 and 70. So for example, write the 12. 12 equal to, we know that how to find the prime factorization. 2 6s, 2 3s. So 2 power of 2 into 3 power of 1. The first number is 12. 2 power of 2 into 3 power of 1. So next 50. 50 is the even number. So all even numbers are divided by 2. So 2 25s. Next one 25. 25 is divided by 5. So 1's plus digit is 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So how to write? 50 is equal to 2 power of 1 into 5 power of 2. 2 power of 1 into 5 power of 2. Next one 70. 70 is also even number divided by 2. 2 3s are, 2 5s are. 2 35s are. Quotient is 35. Next 1's plus digit is 5. So this one is divided by 5. 5 7s are, 7 1s are. So 70 is equal to 2 power of 1 into 5 power of 1 into 7 power of 1. This is the method to write the prime factorization of the given number and express the powers. So next one, LCM of 12, 50, 70 is equal each factor highest power factor. So 2 power of 2, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 1. So highest power is 2 power of 2. Next 3 power of 1 is only one time here. Next 5 power of 2, 5 power of 1. So 5 power of 2 and 7 power of 1. Okay. Each and every factor highest power factor. So 2 power of 2, 3 power of 1, 5 power of 2 and 7 power of 1. So 2 power of 2 equal to 4, 3, 25 and 7. You know that 25 4 is 100, 100 3 is 300, 300 7 is 2100. This is the LCM of the given three numbers. Okay. This is the method to write the LCM, to find the LCM of the numbers. First of all, write the given numbers. Individual, write the prime factorization. After that, the highest power of the factor, each factor. So 2 power of 2, 5 power of 2, 3 power of 1, 5 power of 1, 7 power of 1. And product the numbers. 4 into 3 into 25 into 7, 2100. First question. Sometimes prime factorization is given in the question. Okay. So LCM of 2 power of 3 into 5 power of 2. Second one number is 2 power of 2 into 3 into 5 power of 3 is find the LCM. So here two numbers are given in the prime factorization. So which is the highest power of the 2? So 2 power of 3. Next one 5 power of 2, 5 power of 3. So write the 5 power of 3. Next another factor is 3. So 3 power of 1. So this is the LCM of the given numbers. LCM is equal to highest power of the factor. 2 power of 3, 5 power of 3 and 3 power of 1. So 2 power of 3 is equal to 8. 5 power of 3 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. 125 into 3. 8 times of 125. This one is equal to 1000. 1000 into 3, 3000. This is the LCM of the given numbers. Okay. Next another question. Same, this one is also given prime factorization. 5 power of 2 into 7 into 2, 5 into 7 into 3 square, and 2 square into 3 into 11. So in this one, the first one is 5 power of 2, 5, only 5. So 5 square. Next 7, not here, 7. Next 2 square is highest power. Next 5, 7. Next 3 square. Next last one is 11. Write all factors and highest power. So 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 3. 3 is right here. 2, 3 and 11. 11 is also. Next one highest power 2. 7 power is highest 1. 2 power highest 2. 3 square and 11. So this is the answer. This is the answer of the LCM of the given 3 numbers. Okay. This is the method. Second method is the prime factorization method. Another method is division method. This method is also sometimes easy, sometimes some difficult. So third method is the division method. Find LCM of 24 and 90 by the division method. In the division method, the first step is the given number write in the horizontal line separated with commas. Step 1 is write the numbers in a line, horizontal line separated with commas. So this one is the first step, 24, 90. Next one, second step, these two numbers divide by a number. These two numbers, minimum two numbers are divided by the number. Okay, highest number, 24 and 90. These two are the even numbers. Even numbers are divided by 2. So 2. Next one, 2, write the quotient. 24 is divided by 2. The quotient is right here 12. The 90 is divided by 2. The quotient is 45. So 12 and 45. Next one, 12 is divided by 2. But 45 is not divided by 2. Here the minimum two numbers divided by the taken number. So I can take 2. So not divide two numbers. So next number is 3. These two numbers are divided by 3. So write the quotient. 3 4 is 12. 45 is divided by 3. 3 15 ja. 3 15 ja. So 4 and 15. 4 and 15 is not divided other than 1. 4 and 15. These two numbers are not divided other than 1. So these two numbers are the co-primes. We know that co-primes means two numbers have a common factor is 1. Two numbers have a common factor is 1. That numbers are the called co-primes. Here 4 and 15. These two are composite numbers, but these two not have a common factor other than 1. So therefore this is the complete of the LCM. After that, find the product. LCM of 24 and 90. So equal to product of divisors and undivided quotients. So undivided numbers. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 15. 2 3 is 6. 6 15 is 90. 94 is 360. This one is the answer. So first one, write the given numbers in the horizontal line separated with commas. Next step, take the number, divide the minimum two numbers and take the highest number. So 2 is the highest number. These two divide by 2. So 2 12 ja, 2 45 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 15 ja. So after that, product is equal to 2 into 3 into 4 into 15. Okay. Next one, another question. (16, 18, 24 and 32). 16, 18, 24 and 32. So observe here 4 numbers are separated with commas. First step. Second step, these 4 numbers are divided minimum 2 numbers. Take the maximum number. For example, 4 4 ja, 4 6 ja, 4 8 ja. But 18 is not divided by 4. 18 is not divided by 4. So we cannot take 4 because 18 is divided by 2. 18 is divided by, so the maximum number is 2 here. The first one is the 2. Write the quotients. 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 12 ja, 2 16 ja. Okay. Next one, take another 2. So here 8, 12, 16. These 3 numbers are divided by 2. But 9 is not divided by 2. 2. 2 4 ja. Here 9 is not divided by 2. So write the carry same. Okay. Carry forward to the next number. Next one 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja. Next one here 4 6 8. These two numbers are divided by 2. 2 2 ja 9, 2 3 ja 2 4 ja. Next one 2. 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja 9, 3, 2 2 ja. Next one 1 2. Next 9 and 3. These two numbers are divided by 3. So take 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja 2. So here last one 1 1 3 2. These two are the prime numbers. Last row is prime numbers or co-prime numbers. The process is end. After that find the product. LCM is equal to product of divisors and undivided numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into so 2. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. We cannot take 1 into 1. Okay. After that multiply 2 2 ja 4, 8, 16, 48, 96 into 3. So 3 6 ja 18, 3 9 ja 27, 28. 288 is the answer. Okay. This is the method to find the LCM of the given numbers by the division method. First step, write the given numbers in the order, any order. Arrange any order. So ascending order, descending order, any order separated with the commas. This is the first step. Second step, we divide by a number. Minimum 2 numbers are divided by the number. Okay. Next one, exact at least 2 of the given numbers and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible by the number. Carry forward here. 9 is not divided by 2, so 9 is write down, carry forward. Next, remaining numbers are divided by 2. After that, 2 2 ja 9, 2 3 ja 4, 2 1 ja 9 carry forward, 3 is also carry forward, 9 2 2 ja 4. Next 3 is 3 3 ja 3 1 ja 2 is carry forward. So after that, find the product of the numbers, that is the LCM of the given numbers. This is the method to find the LCM by the division method. Some more examples to find the LCM. 7. Find the LCM of the 4 numbers 12, 15, 20, 27. These 4 numbers are separated with commas. Write the horizontal line. Next one 12, 15, 20, 27. These 4 numbers, minimum 2 numbers are divided by 2 and 3 also, and 5 is also divided by 2. This number is divided by 5. These 3 numbers are divided by 3. So take any number 2. 6. This one is not divided by 2. So carry forward. 2 tens ja. 27 is also not divided. Write down. Next one. Divide by 2. 3 ja. 15. 2 5 ja. 27. Okay. Next one. 3. 3 1 ja. 3 5 ja. 5. 3 9 ja. Next one. These 2 numbers are divided by 5. This one is not divided by 5. So take 5. 1 1 1 9. So here only one number. So next one, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and not divided number. Okay. So divisors and not divided numbers. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 69 is 540, 540. This is the division method. Okay. Sometimes given numbers are prime numbers or co-prime numbers. How to find the LCM? This is the method, division method. So find the LCM of these 4 questions. So these 2 are prime numbers, these 2 are prime numbers, these 2 are prime numbers, these 3 is also prime numbers. When the prime numbers are given, their LCM is equal to their product. Their LCM is equal to their product. For example, LCM is equal to 3 5 is 15. This is the answer. LCM product 5 7 is 35. LCM 209. So prime numbers are given, their LCM is equal to their product. Here 13 5 is 65, 65 3 is 195. 195 is the answer. LCM of these three numbers. Okay. When the numbers are prime numbers, their LCM is equal to their product. This is the one of the rule. Second rule. 4 and 9, 6 and 25, 8 and 15. Observe these numbers. So 4 and 9. Here given numbers are right in the horizontal line separated with commas. This is the first step. Second step, minimum two numbers are divided by maximum number. So take the divisor. The divisor is divide these two numbers. Okay. One is only one and only is divide these two numbers. Okay. So other number is not divided 4 and 9. So these numbers are co-primes. So therefore 2 2 is 9 carry forward. 2 1 is 9. So 3 3 is 3 1 is. So their product is equal to LCM is equal to 36. Their multiply also 36. Okay. This is the second rule. When the numbers are co-prime numbers, their LCM is equal to their product. In the previous condition, prime numbers, their product. Here is also co-primes, not prime numbers, co-prime numbers. They have only one is the common factor. That numbers LCM is equal to their product. So LCM is equal to 6 into 25. That is equal to 150. LCM 8 into 15. 8 15 is 120. So this is the method to find the LCM of the given numbers are prime numbers, co-prime numbers. This is the second condition. Okay. Next one. Observe here 7, 21, 49, 56, 4, 12, 24, 5, 20, 40. These three questions observe here. These three questions are one of the third rule. So observe here. Sorry. Okay. These three questions observe here. So 7, 28, 14, 56, 4, 12, 24, 5, 20, 40. So in these three numbers, the highest number, first question the highest number is 56. Second one 24 is the highest number. Third question highest number is 40. So here. Next one. Observe the remaining numbers. Remaining three numbers observe here. These three are the factors of this number. These three are the factors of this number. These two are the factors of 24. These three are the factors of 40. When the small numbers are factors of big number, small numbers are the factors of big number. So the LCM of the four numbers equal to big number. Highest number is the LCM of the given numbers. When the condition is the small numbers are the factors of the big number. So here LCM is equal to 56. Here 24. Here 40. Direct answer. When the remaining numbers of the factors of the big number, the small numbers are also factors, then big number is the LCM of the number. Okay. Sometimes direct question 3 and 9. 9 is the LCM. 5 and 20. 20 is the LCM. 12 and 36. 36 is the LCM. 50 and 200. 200 is the LCM. Because this one is the factors of these numbers. So these big numbers are the LCM of the numbers. Okay. Next, fourth one. 3, 6, 9, 4, 12, 20. How to find the LCM? Easiest method. Okay. Here 3, 6, 9. Here big number is 9. 3 is also factor, but 6 is not factor. 6 is not factor. So 3 is the factor. So remaining 3, 6, 9 LCM is equal to 6, 9 LCM is the same. 3, 6, 9 LCM is equal to 6, 9 LCM. So 9 next number is 9 2 is 18. 9 multiplies. 9 2 is 18. 6 table 18 to get 18. Yes? Okay. 6 3 is 18. So LCM is equal to 18. Next one 4, 12, 20. 4 is the factor of 20. So 4 is cancelled. Next remaining two numbers LCM is equal to these three numbers LCM. 4, 12, 20 LCM is equal to 12, 20 LCM. Here 12 and 20. The big number is 20. 20 multiplies 20, 40, 60. 20, 12 is not divided 40. So 12 is divided 60. So therefore LCM is equal to 60. Okay. This is the one of the method to find the LCM easiest method. Without actual division method, write the big number multiplies the small numbers are the factors. Okay, so this one is the next method. Next one, other methods, 16 and 50. 16 and 50. So 16 and 50, here 50 is the big number, 16 is the small number. So 16 is equal to 2 power of 4. 50 is equal to 2 into 5 square. This is also one of the method, prime factorization method. So sometimes division method easy, sometimes prime factorization method easy. So 16 is equal to, we know that 2 power of 4. 50 is equal to 2 into 5 square. So LCM is equal to highest power 2 power of 4, 5 power of 2. So 16 into 25. 16 into 25. So 16 5 is 80, 16 2 is 32, 40. Okay, this is the prime factorization method. Or 16 and 50. 16 and 50. So these two are divided by 2. 2 8 ja, 2 25 ja. 25 and 8, these two are the co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. So here I also 2 into 8 into 25. This one is also a division method to find the LCM. Okay. 6, 20, 35. Find the LCM. 6, 20, 35. Here 6 and 20, these two are the divided by 2. 20 and 35, these two divided are the 5. So first of all divide by 2. So write down. Next 3, 10, 35. These two are the divided by 5. Write down 3 same. 5 2 ja, 5 7 ja. 3, 2, 7. These are the prime numbers. So when the prime numbers are coming, so find the product of divisors and not divided numbers. 3 into 2 into 7. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 32 is 60. 67 is 420. So this one is the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, students? Okay. Next question. This is the direct method to find the LCM. Sometimes questions are not direct. How to given the questions? Find the least number exactly divided by 8, 12, 15 and 20. Find the least number exactly divided by 8, 12, 15 and 20. So least number means divide by these numbers to find the LCM. Okay. First of all, write the multiplies, common multiplies. The least number is called least number exactly divided by these numbers. So to find LCM of the given numbers 8, 12, 15 and 20. Write the given numbers in the order horizontal line separated with commas. Next one, these two numbers are divided by 4. This one is not divided by 4. So right, take 4. Highest number is 4. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 15, 4 5 ja. Next one, these two numbers are divided by 5. 3 ja, 5 1 ja. These two divided by 3. Not divide number, carry forward. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 1. So LCM is equal to 4 into 5 into 3 into 2. 4 5 is 20. 23 is 60. 62 is 120. So 120 is the answer. 120 is the least number divided by these 4 numbers. 8 15 ja, 12 10 ja, 15 8 ja, 26 ja. So the 120 is the least number. 240, 122 ja, 240. 240 is also divided by these numbers. Okay. 128 ja, 960. 960 is also divided by these numbers. But 3-digit greatest number. 3-digit greatest number. 960. 960 after number 1080. So 1080. This is the least number, 4-digit least number divided by these numbers. This is also given sometimes question. Find the LCM, least 4-digit number divided by these numbers. Okay. Next, after we find this type of questions. Here, first of all, find the LCM 120. Next one, 3-digit number 960. 4-digit number, least number is 1080. Okay. Thank you students. అందరికి కూడా నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కూడా దీని కంటిన్యూస్గా మరికొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ను కూడా ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చో నేర్చుకుందాం. అలాగే మనకి నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకంటే రిమైండర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, రిమైండర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మిగిలినప్పుడు అలా 4 టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్, స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్, గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ డివైడ్ బై గివెన్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ రిమైండర్ ఇస్ 3 ఇలా కూడా అడుగుతుంటాడు. సో ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో మనం నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో నేర్చుకుందాం. మరి వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఇంతవరకు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి బెల్ సింబల్ని ప్రెస్ చేసినట్టయితే మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ రూపంలో కూడా నా యొక్క వీడియోస్ సమాచారం వస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ అందరికి కూడా.